Good morning. It is math time again, and we are looking at money again today. I hope you enjoyed your task yesterday where I wanted you to really observe the coins. I wanted you to observe what's on the front and the back of the coins, the size, the shape, the color, all of those things so that you could really do a great job of describing a coin. So I want to see if you can guess what coin I'm holding in my hands right now. All right. I'm holding a coin right now that is silver. Okay, silver in color. This coin is not worth as much as a quarter, so it's worth less than a quarter. It has Thomas Jefferson on one side of it. Have you been able to figure out what the coin is yet? So I told you it's silver. It's worth less than a quarter, and it has Thomas Jefferson on one side of it. Have you been able to tell me what this coin is yet? I'll give you one more hint. This coin has Monticello on the back of it. So the head side's going to have Thomas Jefferson. The back side has Monticello. It's silver. It's less than a quarter. Have you been able to decide what it is yet? It is worth 5 cents. It is a nickel. All right, I'm holding a nickel in my hand. Hopefully, those clues you were able to figure out that I was holding a nickel. So you're going to play a game like that today with a partner. Find a parent or a sibling around your house, and they're going to be the ones asking you questions. So you're going to pick a coin. Don't let them see what coin you are holding, and they are going to ask you questions to try to figure out what that coin is. I have a list of some questions that they could ask. All right, they're right there. Who is on the front side of the coin? What is on the back side of the coin? Is the coin silver or brown? Um, is the coin worth blank cents? So as they're guessing and you are giving them answers, right? Is the coin worth 5 cents? They might say, is the coin worth 25 cents? And you would say yes or no, depending on what coin you know that you are holding in your hands. So you're going to do this with a partner, and then you and the partner are going to switch. Then they're going to be the ones that's going to hold a coin behind their back, and they're going to have to study it and know the answers to those questions before they put the coin behind their back, right? And then you would ask them questions, all right? So just like I held a coin in my hands this morning, didn't let you know exactly what I had. I was giving you clues, right? Because I'm not able to hear questions from you. But when you have a partner sitting in front of you, you're going to be able to let them ask you the questions, and you'll give them answers as they try to decide what the mystery coin is that you're holding behind your back. Okay. And there's a question I would like for you to answer in your journal. This is a question very similar to questions that we've already answered this week, but it is written on my board right behind me. Let's see if I can make this clearer. What is the value of a quarter in pennies? A quarter is equal to the value of blank pennies. That's hard to see completely. So you have answered this question before for a nickel and a dime. This time you are answering the same question in your journal, but for a quarter. What is the value of a quarter in pennies? And a quarter is equal to the value of blank pennies. All right, guys, have fun with this task, and I hope you've enjoyed this little review of money that we've done this week as well. Have a great day, guys. Bye.